Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Apemax token. Now the Apemax token is live for pre-sale right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Apemax.io is their official webpage. Real easy to find. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now. You can find their Twitter. I put it up in the corner of the page there. At Apemax official, they have the blue verified check mark. It says Apemax is a revolutionary token that lets you earn passively. Join the growing Apemax community and stake your way to the moon. So that's what it says on Twitter there. They also have a Discord available on their page and a Telegram. Now, you can buy this token right off of their webpage. They're in the midst of their pre-sale right now. It goes through how to buy. The Apemax purchase funnel has been designed to be as easy and possible to use. Please don't hesitate to contact support if you have any issues. You can buy with crypto. You can buy with Ethereum, USDT, USDC, Polygon, BNB, or BUSD. Simply press the button below and follow the instructions on the screen to purchase Apemax. And it has a whole bunch of buttons. Buy with crypto. You can also buy with credit cards, all sorts of different ways on their webpage there. Now, it says right at the very top, pre-sale stage 1 has started. So it says price increases, and then it has a countdown, and it goes down every 24 hours. It increases a tiny little bit until the final stages of the pre-sale are over. They've already sold $363,426.08 worth of tokens. So they're doing extremely well. So yeah, countdown. It counts down every 24 hours. And right now they're still in stage 1. So you're still very early on this pre-sale, even though they've sold over $363,000 worth of tokens. They do have a full white paper on their page as well. 33-page white paper. Apemax is the first crypto token that lets you earn by staking on things you love. Earn passively just by choosing the winners and staking on your favorite creators, influencers, hot new crypto projects, or anything else you believe in. Apemax's unique staking mechanism, referred to as boosting, is a win-win for both stakers and whatever you're staking on, providing a new way to earn free Apemax coins while supporting your favorite projects, people, or things that stakers love and believe in. So what is Apemax? Well, it says here that it has boost to earn. Holders of Apemax tokens can earn by boosting things that they love. Boosting equals staking on your creators that I mentioned earlier, influencers, whatever. So it's it's basically you're winning by staking the token. Then also you're basically, if your thing goes through, then you also win on top of that. So it's a win-win, they say. It's got immediate utility, designed to be easy to use and understand. Apemax staking system works from day 1, even during the pre-sale period, ensuring that stakers can start earning free Apemax tokens immediately. So I actually have not heard. I've heard of this where you kind of guess the future, but predict the future coins. So that's kind of like what this is. But I've never heard of like the staking and predict the future while still in pre-sale token. So this is a very new concept here. It's an ERC20 and BEP20 token, so it's a cross-chain. Inherits the power and security of Binance Smart Chain. If you're looking for a new way to earn while supporting things you love and believe in, look no further than Apemax. This utility token will revolutionize staking tokenomics, and it's got easy-to-use staking mechanisms that make it a game changer in the crypto world. So it says, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for the wild ride with the Apemax rocket. Apemax is all about empowering you, the user. Apemax introduces the innovative concept of boosting and staking. So you kind of get the idea there. Now on their webpage, they do have a, you can connect your wallet easily, buy with crypto, use your MetaMask wallet, Wallet Connect, all that type of stuff. Some of the key features here, it says auto price increase every 24 hours during pre-sale. It's got self-custody, no hidden fees, rug-proof, decentralized protocol, audited staking mechanisms, real utility, instant staking, no staking minimums, easy staking user interface, BEP20 and ERC20 professionally audited, and Binance Smart Chain. So it says earn with Apemax. So it shows things that you could stake on. And I'll give you an example of some of the things that have been staked on so far. Starknet, Uniswap V3, Post Malone, PancakeSwap V3, and OpenSea so far. So 5 different things have been staked on, maybe even more, but they're showing at least 5 different things. You could probably scroll down here. Eventually there's going to be more, I'm sure. So how it works, buy Apemax tokens, stake your Apemax tokens, earn free Apemax tokens. It's as easy as that. There's loot boxes, guaranteed savings with Apemax loot box deals. Each purchase delivers discounted Apemax tokens, ensuring you get more bang for your buck. And there's 15% off, 20% off, 35% off, etc. Tokenomics. 20% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 40% staking rewards, 20% company, 20% team. Shows their audits on here. It says they passed the KYC and audit. You can check out both of those. And on top of that, 18 decimal places on this token here. Real easy instructions. Their roadmap is on here. White paper, code published, smart contract audit, website and graphics, tokenomics features, idea born. Then we got staking open, socials open, featured in press articles, Uniswap launch, staking protocol update, a launch party, and then more to come after that. If you want to email them, there's an email at the bottom of the page. Real straightforward, white paper, audit, tokenomics, guides, privacy policy, disclaimer, socials, all that's at the bottom of their page, apemax.io. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.